Imagine if you could describe a scene from a dream, and someone could instantly paint it for you in vivid detail. That's essentially what AI technologies like DALLE, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney do, but instead of someone, it's an advanced computer program that turns text descriptions into images. DALLE is an AI that can create images from textual descriptions. You could tell DALLE, a two-headed flamingo wearing a top hat, and it would generate a picture of exactly that. It's like the pensieve in Harry Potter, Dumbledore's magical bowl that lets you view memories. Instead of memories, DALLE visualizes your words. Stable Diffusion is similar but often focuses on creating more realistic images. If DALLE is like Dumbledore's pensieve, Stable Diffusion is like the Star Trek holodeck, creating lifelike images that could almost pass for photographs. Midjourney is another AI that specializes in translating text to images, but with a unique style. Think of Midjourney as a mix between a fantasy novel illustrator and a graphic designer, taking your descriptions and turning them into stylish, often ethereal artworks. These tools use complex algorithms that have learned from millions of images and the text associated with them. This is similar to how Netflix recommends shows based on what it's learned about your preferences, but instead of suggesting movies, these AIs create new images from scratch. To give a pop culture spin, imagine if you asked Tony Stark's AI, Jarvis, to design a new Iron Man suit based on the description of medieval armor. These AI image generators can do just that with visual art. They understand the elements that make up both medieval armor and the sleek design of an Iron Man suit and combine them in a new image. In Back to the Future, Marty McFly uses a photograph to see changes in the timeline. Similarly, you could ask these AI tools to generate an image of a city from the past and then reimagine it in the future, all based on your textual cues. Think of these AIs as digital artists with an infinite supply of paint and no need to sleep. You could describe a sunset over a city where the buildings are made of glass, and like an artist with a canvas, the AI would produce that image, each AI adding its own flair to the artwork. In essence, DALLE, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney represent a new frontier where our words can create worlds. They blend the creativity of a human artist with the scale and speed of AI, allowing for the creation of images that might not exist anywhere else but were born from human imagination, described in words, and brought to life by algorithms.